Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video we will create flicker effect like this. For create this effect you need one and only alight motion. So without wasting more time, let's play today's video titled How to Create Flicker Effect. First make 16:9 project. Now add your color graded mintage. If you don't know how to color grade montage, then check out this video. Now select your clip and go to effect and add flicker effect. Now add exposure and gamma effect with standard setting. Decrease strength about 0.15. Now increase exposure a little bit. Nice, your flicker effect is almost ready. I'm adding a cinematic bar, which is given in description. I'm adjusting exposure and gamma a little bit. So yes, your flickering effect is ready now. Just export it. So this is how you create flicker effect for your montages. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm leaving, Spoxy. Signing out.